Prior to the official launch, the first reaction video for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 was recently released. Even more absurd is the fact that it comes with $120 worth of free items. The date of the Unpacked event has also been determined. Ignore the bezels for a moment. The Z Fold 7 is Samsung's thinnest foldable smartphone, measuring only 3.9mm when unfolded. In addition, Ice Universe revealed that the phone weighs only 215 grams, which is 24 grams less than the Fold 6 and even lighter than the Oppo Find N5. That's thinner than a pencil. That is extremely thin. Samsung has created a foldable phone that is actually lighter than its standard Slab Ultra phone for the first time. Samsung made all the correct improvements this time, particularly in areas that are crucial. Compared to earlier models, the redesigned hinge seems significantly smoother when the phone is closed, and the cover and primary screens are both larger and wider. Lastly, a foldable should feel the same as a regular phone in your hand and, when necessary, like a tablet without being a pocket brick. Thanks to a trustworthy leaker, we now know the precise date of Samsung's major launch, which is scheduled for July 9th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is due to the fact that the event is taking place in New York. Samsung will unveil the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and even the Z Flip 7 FE at that occasion. A brand new S Pen and the Galaxy Watch 8 series are also coming. It is anticipated that the new S Pen will function similarly to the Apple Pencil. Let's now discuss the freebies. Samsung typically offers some really awesome perks to early buyers. With the S25 series, Samsung made a similar approach back in January. For previous early adopters, they also provided double storage, such as 256GB for 256GB and 512GB for 512GB. According to current rumors, the costs of the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will remain the same in the majority of nations. With teaser after teaser showcasing the camera, AI, and other features this week, Samsung is still hyping up the Fold 7. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.